Okay, this video is about my 2004 F-250, the fuel pump ring. This is the ring, and I watched other videos to see how to get the ring off, and there's quite a few different ones, but I couldn't figure out the diameter of the ring. And so it's 7 inches for those that are needing to know the diameter. You can buy a tool on Amazon for $14 to $20 to take these things off. There's other people that use chain vice grips, and some people just take a screwdriver and tap around the edges. And I thought, well, I'm going to elect to make one. So I made this one out of some garage door track that I had. It has a 3/8 inch drive in it, so I didn't have to drill a hole and make the drive and all that. I had some shelf brackets for the wall that I had out in the workshop, so I just cut a couple of pieces of those. They're stainless steel. This is galvanized. Of course, I had to have a welder to weld this up. I made it adjustable here, and then it fit right on the ring, and I put my 3/8 drive in there, and it took it right off. Now, as I was reviewing this thing and looking at it, I used a hacksaw to cut this little bit of the track, the wall track down. And then I got to thinking, if you don't have a welder, how would you make one of these? Well, okay, if you took a piece of 3/4 inch bar and just bent it to where it's close to 7 inches here and across here, and then you drilled a hole with the 3/4 inch 3/8. I did that again. I already did that on the short too. It's 3/8 drill, and then you could take a file and file that out to a square, and then you would have it. So you wouldn't even have to have a welder if you knew this diameter. So the diameter is 7 inches. You can take a hacksaw, cut your bar stock, and make some grooves in it, and then you've got it. Or you could grind it if you had a grinder, but I'm thinking about the guy that doesn't have hardly anything and doesn't want to spend 20 bucks. So with that, I did a little short video on it also, but I could have bought the tool, but saved myself 20 bucks. Probably took me more than 20 bucks worth of time and effort to do it, but you know, oh well. But the people that are trying to save a couple of nickels, this might do it. And you know, I could have used the screwdriver and tapped it around, but it was on there pretty snug. So hopefully this helps somebody in their removal of this ring, because I know I did quite a few searches and I couldn't find anything. So have a blessed day, keep walking with Jesus, and thank you for watching.